Evidence Scientific recently provided a fully turnkey system for 100% inspection of tubes and bars. The system integrates the Vanta iX-inline XRF analyzer for automated material verification on the manufacturing line. The turnkey installation includes a complete mechanical assembly, electrical panel, and operator cabinet. The Vanta iX analyzer uses X-ray fluorescence to instantly verify the material composition of bars for quality control and assurance. The analyzer keeps a consistent distance from the bar surface, so the bar slides smoothly during the inspection. Each inspection provides a live results scan in the operator cabinet. The Vanta iX analyzer can be configured to deliver pass-fail results, alloy grade ID, or material chemistry. Testing items and reviewing results in real time saves time, reduces costs, and demonstrates that materials are 100% verified throughout the manufacturing process. To learn more about inline XRF, visit evidencescientific.com.